Hello guys, welcome to another video. If you have never used a smartwatch before or want a budget smartwatch which can offer bang for the buck, then look no further. Today in this video we are going to compare two of the latest smartwatch in India, one of which has already been launched and it's from Realme. The other one is from Xiaomi and that is the Amazfit Bip S. This is going to launch on 3rd June in India, so that's pretty close. Both these watch offers a lot of features and costs less than 5000 rupees. So without keeping you waiting anymore, let's begin. Starting with the design, both smartwatches offer similar square design with the button on the right side. They also offer the branding at the bottom bezel, but Bip S has more symmetrical bezels with the screen in the center, whereas the Realme Watch comes with a bigger bottom bezel. The Amazfit Bip S weighs only 31 grams and the Realme Watch weighs 33 grams with the strap included and can be comfortably carried while working out or playing an outdoor sport. The display is where the things get interesting. The Realme Watch features a 1.4-inch color LCD display with 320x320 pixel resolution and 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. It gets the maximum brightness of 380 nits with 10 levels of adjustment, that is bright enough for both indoors and outdoors. While the Bip S comes with a 1.28-inch transflective color display with 176x176 pixel resolution and 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection and AF coating. The transflective display gets brighter with increased intensity of the light, meaning the brighter the sunlight is, the clearer the display looks, making it ideal for outdoor sports. Also, it has backlight for indoor usage. The Realme Watch will have more crisp display because of that higher pixel count and it will be more pleasant to look at. The Bip S looks washed out and the resolution is low but is still readable. They both get the Gorilla Glass 3 protection, meaning the display can handle minor scratches. I'm not sure whether Realme Watch comes with anti-fingerprint coating, but Bip S does come with that. As for battery, the Realme Watch comes with 160 mAh battery, which Realme claims can offer 7 days of life with 24x7 heart rate monitoring turned on and 9 days without it. The Amazfit Bip S comes with 200 mAh battery. Xiaomi says it can last for up to 40 days on a single charge, thanks to Xiaomi's wise choice of internal components for the fitness tracker. But battery reduces greatly if you use GPS regularly. Overall, it's better in battery department compared to Realme Watch. About the sensors present in the watch, the Amazfit Bip S comes with a BioTracker PPG biotracking optical sensor for heart rate monitoring, 3-axis acceleration sensor, 3-axis geomagnetic sensor, and GPS plus GLONASS so that you can track your location independently without the need of your smartphone. As for Realme Watch, we get acceleration sensor, a heart rate sensor and also a SpO2 blood oxygen sensor. There is no GPS on board. And before we get into the functions, there is one more thing I have to mention. Both of these smartwatches use Bluetooth version 5.0 to connect. The Amazfit Bip S is compatible with devices running Android 5.0 and up and iOS 10.0 and up. But for Realme Watch, it can work with only Android 5.0 and above and not with iOS. So now let's check out some basic functions these watches can offer. The Amazfit Bip S supports music control, compass, weather forecast, alarm clock, call notifications, that is, you can only either reject or silence the call. You cannot attend the call. There is message notifications and other third-party apps are also supported. The Realme Watch is capable of providing notification alerts for apps installed on your smartwatch. These notifications can be of any voice call, SMS messages, or third-party chat messages. Further, you can use the Realme Watch to unlock your phone and it also acts as camera shutter and controls music player. And similar to Bip S, you cannot attend calls from the watch itself, however you can reject or mute a call. Now let's dive into the sports mode of these smartwatches. The Amazfit Bip S gets 10 sports tracking mode, but in the future they will add few more modes via OTA updates. There's treadmill, outdoor running, walking, indoor cycling, outdoor cycling to name a few. Also, Amazfit Bip S gets the Xiaomi PAI health assessment feature. Realme Watch also comes with 14 sports mode with aerobic capacity, badminton, treadmill, elliptical and table tennis being the new ones introduced by Realme. Both are IP68 certified build that has dust and water resistant, but Amazfit Bip S is the only one that comes with swimming mode to collect swimming data. So that's it. I think I have covered most of the aspect for you to make informed decision, but do check out other videos as well before you buy to make sure that you haven't missed anything. Anyways, if I have missed something, then feel free to comment. The most helpful comment will be pinned to the top. And thank you for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.